welcome back to another video. Today we are cleaning, so it's a cleaning motivation video. The house is still quite cold, hence I'm still putting on my boots, but yeah, during the day it warms up, so it's just a little bit like, I wouldn't say early in the morning because this is like what, 8 days. The first thing that I do today, let me start by saying it's a flow day today. I like to call it a flow day. Welcome to flow day Mondays. So Monday I do floor cleaning. So what do I mean by floor cleaning? Floor cleaning, I make sure that I clean the whole house, like all the floors, sweeping and mopping all the floors of all the rooms in the house. So it's like 3-bedroom house, cleaning all the floors and mopping all the floors. By the end of this day, guys, I'm usually exhausted, because what do you mean, like being on your feet the whole, like almost the whole day, and then your back, I'm in my 30s, guys, so I'm a little bit old. Anyhow, so what you saw me doing, I started with the bathroom, with the bedroom, the main bedroom. I had to clean up everything. I mean, not had to clean up, but I swept, and yeah, I moved to the second room, and then now I am in the kitchen. I didn't clean the stove like last night, so that's basically what I'm doing here, just to make sure that everything is nice, clean, so that when I cook dinner, the stove will be sparkling clean. Once I'm done with the kitchen, I moved on to what we consider an office, which is the third room in the house. I just swept in there, and my baby just likes following me everywhere. And then after that, we move on to the 2 bathrooms. I also sweep. Then I also sweep the main sitting room and all that. And you know what, guys? It's only at this point that I remember that I had soaked clothes like for hand wash. Someone actually introduced Vanish to me, so that is something that I'll look into. But at the moment, I usually soak my white stuff. The whole house family, my household family, like my husband's white shirts or whatever white, my whites, my baby's whites, I usually like hand wash them. So it's only when I got in that room then I realized I had soaked some of those in the in the in the in the basin. So that meant that I had now an extra something to do, something that I was not ready for, something that I thought I was gonna do, But anyhow, we move. So I move on to the sitting room. I started sweeping, and then I took out the mat, as you can see, and then the mat I just need to like dust it out, so that whatever is in there, buried in there, can fall off. At least like maybe some percentage can fall off, because mats, they do suck a lot of dirt. So maybe dusting off, it kind of revives it. But eventually, I think soon I'll have to wash it, and I have washed already the other one, but this is also the one that I need to wash. I haven't washed it in a very long time. I think it's over 6 months now. And then here I'm just going ahead cleaning, and then scoop out everything and throw it into a trash before we move on to the mopping. For mopping, just like any other a human being, any other woman. I think most of us we prefer mopping with a very hot water or warm water, and that's basically what I'm doing. I am using pine gel. I'm also using sunlight washing powder. I didn't have my I almost said Vim. I didn't have my hand any. Yeah, so it's finished. So those are the only two things that I'm gonna use. So as you can see, I'm just putting in hot water so that we can start with the flows. I hope this video motivates you to get up and also just do something, even if it means just cleaning your fridge, even if it means just sweeping the floor of some sort, or just get up and just do something so that your home can look proper, nice, and comfortable. And I remember one comment somebody said that the people that like being outdoors, I'm sorry if I'm going to offend anyone, but I'm just repeating like somebody, it's more of a meme. Like the meme was like, the people that like being outdoors is because they haven't made their homes as comfortable. That's why they can't live in their space. But I'm not throwing shade to anybody. Yeah, it's just let's just get our homes clean, or just make our homes comfortable, just so that when you come from home, or when you come from wherever you're coming from, we look forward, to actually being home and just enjoy our space. I mean, rent is so expensive these days, so I think the best thing to do is just to spend your free time in the most comfortable place that you pay so much for. So the best you can do is just to make your place very comfortable, and then yeah. I must also admit the kitchen, or this area where we cook, it's just the most the most difficult place to mop, because literally you can mop this place like the previous night, and then the following day you need to mop it. I don't know, this place is just the most high traffic area in our house, and to have the boys where he will spill, it's just too much. How do you guys keep up with your kitchen? How often do you clean your kitchen? Because as for me, I'll not lie, I know it's a high traffic place, but sometimes I don't mop this place. Like 2 days, max 2 days can go by, and I'll just not mop this place. He can spill what he spills. He can do whatever he does. I can also spill what I spill, but at least it must be swept. At least it must be swept, so that when the mopping day comes, I make sure that I do mop it like fully. You see how I'm struggling scraping, with that mop? It's because there's like unending marks that needs to be cleared all the time. So where are you watching this video from? Can you leave me a heart in the comment section? Also, if you've watched this far, I would like to thank you so very much for you guys that have subscribed and decided to stay on this channel. I appreciate all of you 570 something plus subscribers. Please, I hope you do consider subscribing, because I know some of you, YouTube now tells us our regular subscribers, our casual subscribers, and so forth. So please, if you are a casual subscriber, not subscriber, even a casual viewer, meaning you come here once in a while, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. It shows me that you enjoy watching these videos, and it gives me motivation actually to make more content like this. Yeah. So once I'm done with the kitchen and the other side of the house, I moved to our room. So I started cleaning the bathroom as well. And this place that I'm cleaning right now, it's the boy's favorite place. Like nobody even sits in that tab. It's just his. He is the one who controls. Okay, let me not say control, guys. And I know I kind of bent the picture that he's kind of spoiled. No, he's not. But I just mean that this is his territory. This is where he takes his birth, and he loves in there. So I am just cleaning that, making sure that everything is in place. And then from there, I'll move on to the things, and then yeah, I think everything is self-explanatory. There's no need for me to be narrating everything, as you can see. Um, but yeah, I enjoy this because this is something that I do once a week, like a whole deep clean like this. I usually do it on every, not on every, but every Mondays and sometimes Fridays. But yeah, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the whole weekend during weekdays we don't really make the house clean. I don't know, maybe it's because not all of us are home. Um, I feel like weekends we do kind of make the place a little bit dirty, so that's why I prefer doing it every Mondays. Like I dedicate the whole Mondays to flow day, which is now like the cleaning that you can see that we've been seeing throughout the video, which is the mopping and what is this? The sweeping on the floor. And I don't know why. I don't know who gave me this thing. Like every sweep needs a mop, but that is actually not shouldn't be the case. So you can sweep today and you don't actually mop. So that's something that I need to work on. Anyhow, this is how the bathroom turned out. Everything looks nice, neat, and clean, and I am happy with all that. So once our room is done, I go out now and clean the other two bathrooms. And then I'll also do the laundry, as you can see. So I'll stop talking from here. Let you guys just enjoy watching. And again, I'll beg you once more, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it means a lot, guys. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.